What's up, guys? It's been a while since I've done a video on the CRV. Got a new product for you guys to check out. Finally decided to get one of these wireless chargers for the CRV. So this is specifically made to fit right here. Traditionally I've been using the wires because our CarPlay, but this is something nice extra to have if you have a wireless charger or capable phone. This is what we got here. So this directly will fit in this location. So it just slides in perfectly, doesn't move around. And it comes with the cigarette lighter adapter. So let me get this out. So here's the adapter that it comes with to a USB-C, and this will plug into the back of this. Let's see, right there. Okay, so since we have a outlet right here, go ahead and plug this in. Close it up, and this will literally just slide in right here. It's already powered down, so I'm gonna let's test it out with my phone. So it has a little rubberized area here, so it doesn't slide around. And here we go, charging. So let's take it off. And so that light turns off, and when you put it on, it'll turn green, showing that it's charging. So, alright guys, so this is something super easy to do. Literally just fits into that area, so it's not really gonna affect anything else. You can still use your cup holders and everything. Of course, I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Till next time.